Don't forget the subscribe, hit the bell icon and like and share now.
The structure: B plus V for plus V for B plus V for plus 2 plus V1. Looks a bit unclear, but let's break it down and figure out what you might be asking about it. B plus V for plus verb. Do you mean B plus V for present participle, ing form plus verb? If yes, that seems incorrect grammatically, because V for present participle is already a verb form. Let's clarify a few things. Verb forms V1 to V5, V1 V5. So, B plus V for equals B plus going, doing, eating, etc. This is used to form continuous tenses. He is going home, present continuous. They were playing football, past continuous. But if you add another verb after V4, like, he is going eat, this is incorrect, it should be, he is going to eat, with to before the base verb. Summary: B plus V4 is used in continuous tenses. B plus V4. Let's break them down clearly. B plus V for plus V4, plus V for plus V4. Sentences: he was sitting thinking, she is lying crying.
Structure: this is B plus V4 plus V4, i.e. B plus present participle plus present participle. Explanation: this construction is grammatically correct and often used in literary or poetic English
to show that two actions are happening at the same time, or one action is happening while being in a certain position or state. He was sitting thinking. Was sitting, his physical position.
Don't forget the subscribe, hit the bell icon and like and share now.
Thinking, the mental activity he was doing while sitting. Meaning, he sat and thought. Both actions happened together. She is lying crying. As lying, her physical position. One crying, her emotional action. Meaning, she is lying down and crying at the same time. More examples. He stood watching the sunset. They sat waiting for the train. She was lying sleeping peacefully. So, the rule: B plus V for state position verb plus V for main action equals shows two actions happening together. Usually one is a posture and the other is an activity. Let's make some more examples using B plus V for so you can get really comfortable with it. We'll focus on posture or position first, then add the second action. He is standing talking to his friend. He's on his feet and having a conversation. She was sitting reading a book. She sat down and read. They are lying watching TV. They're lying down and watching TV. She is standing crying. She is on her feet and crying at the same time.
Don't forget the subscribe, hit the bell icon and like and share now.